Hello everyone, this is multimodal embedding-based Meme Explorer, aka MemeFinder. Nowadays, especially Gen Z, communicates through and express their emotions through memes, visuals. And it's very crucial to find the perfect meme that expresses what you're feeling right now. And when you can't use a perfect meme, you lose the moment, you lose the joke. So MemeFinder aims to solve this problem. Let's look at what the other platforms do, like Giphy or Tenor and others. They all based on keywords or tag-based search algorithms, and they do manual categorization. So it's very hard to find what you're looking for. So let's look at the other example. We just search man driving car. We are looking for a trendy meme nowadays. And then we search this query in the Giphy. We can't even find the similar images, but in our platform, we can directly find it in seconds, maybe milliseconds. So let's look at our innovative aspect and proposed solution. So we first start with, not too much, sorry. Okay, we start with the scraping memes, visuals from the internet and save them to database. And then we create a AI automated pipeline that takes those images and search through internet and try to find their origin, their meaning, and create the metadata for them, like description, content, emotion, or purpose. So why do we need those metadata? Normally, we can perform semantic search just for the images, but image alone is not enough to understand the meme, because memes are very abstract and visual meanings doesn't imply the real meaning of it. So different versions of same image may have different emotions and context, for example. So we create those metadata to add human context, and it enables us to perform meaning-based search, and that's how we do actually. We create this data set, and it's very unique because there is no such similar data set on the internet, even if in the Kaggle. So we try to collect 10,000 images, and we are also planning to share it on Kaggle as well. So after we create our data set, we implement two different search options for the user. First one, global search, which runs on our backend, our servers, and use our 10K meme pool. And also local search, which enable users to perform similar search algorithm on their local device. So if we have such global search and our servers run those heavy models, so why do we need local search then? Actually, we implement lightweight models on edge devices to because they're very lightweight and modular, and that create a faster search for a limited data set, and it's create a customizable meme collection for the user. It can perform offline, so it creates a privacy, which is very important for those users. So how do we implement AI multi-models to edge devices? So we implement Clip Android for Android, and we also implement Mobile Clip for iOS, which developed by the Apple researchers, co-authorized by Öncel Tüzel, thanks to him. And this is what we did actually, and here is where is our system architecture of our product. You can see the 8-bay gateway, backend system, and client system, and we highlight the AI models with the Gemini logo because we like it. And you can analyze in the paper. So,
okay, so I can take it from here. So in addition to what Alperen said, we also implemented the following features. We have an admin panel for us to manage the global database. We also implemented profile page and authentication for the users. And we also organized our backend with the microservice structure using Spring Boot. And we also implemented a meme sharing feature through WhatsApp and Bluetooth, Instagram, and such other platforms. And for the second term, we plan to add these following features. We first of all plan to integrate this app to our keyboard, since we don't want people to switch between our app and WhatsApp through all the time. And we also want to handle videos in the future, videos, GIFs. And also we want to add peer-to-peer meme sharing, which will enable users to share their own data set. And we want to add meme editing, template editing feature, and last but not least, context-aware meme recommendation, which reads the chats and recommends a meme accordingly. And now it's demo time. As you can see, the user can search for an emotion and see the results accordingly. The user can also define an event and search for it and see the results. We also have an authentication system using Firebase. The user can log in. And also it can view its profile and edit it. And it can customize its own meme pool, meme dataset by adding some new memes and deleting them. And finally, here's the sample use case, which we actually needed. Describing the meme he wants, and shares it flawlessly. And that's it. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, we can take them.
Of course.
I have a question. How is your collection right now? How many memes did you collect?
Actually, we have collected 10,000 images and their corresponding metadata. For our demo at the server side, we just on the fly have 3.5 thousand ones, because we don't really like the noise, so we use the clear version. But totally we have 10K, but we can expand it as well. It just takes some similar script for us.
And then second question, do you plan to do some kind of evaluation as to, whether really this metadata works? It really works collecting this stuff, and how are you going to do it?
Like we discussed it before in our retro meetings. Like we need to collect feedbacks from the users. Like do they like it or not, or is it working? We just discuss. We can put some thumbs up, thumbs down, similar to the other platforms.
Maybe upvoting, downvoting.
Yeah,
kind of
to
thing.
collect the data, which enable us to see is this meme useful or not, to show them to user. But we don't really thinking about implementing the features first, and then trying to optimize it later.
From academic point of view, maybe you may try something like a short, small user study. Your memes, when there is a search, when someone makes a search, your memes versus two competitors' results, and ask users which is preferred.
Yeah.
Which is more relevant, maybe.
So maybe we can make a system that logs what users select from our global search. Like we show the first perfect match and then the others. So we can compare the user selection and our first one and get the loss function and maybe optimize it, but I don't really know the details.
We also thought about meme IMDb. You can create memes so you can customize it.
Also, if the global search results are kind of irrelevant to users, they can also add their own memes from global search files.
Yeah, that's why we create a local search. If you really don't like our data set, why don't you create your own?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
if you have an inside job or something that we can't add our global search, we can find
Yeah,
it.
in global search, we collect global memes, which are very common. But even if our department, we have,
Our own memes.
yeah. So when you try to want to use them, you can use the global search, but you can use our local search platform.
Is there something like Spotify's playlist sharing, in-list sharing?
Yeah, that's how we want in the peer-to-peer sharing. So, Ahmet.
We will do it in the second semester, especially for local search. I mean, it's, I think, meme becoming a culture, like music taste, cinema taste, and now memes are, improving in our conversations. So I think we are curious about our meme taste. So as you can see, there is a local search. I mean, you can upload your own meme, your own taste of memes in the app. So we will have profile sharing or favorite sharing within the site, but you can share your own memes with others, and others can see your meme taste and make memes as a culture.
For instance, a local meme can include, instead of a random cat, the cat of our department, so everyone would meme, for instance. The name was Stinky, I guess, so maybe in such a condition you can have the cat photo, everyone would know in Metro or in Cenk what you mean, but for others it will be less understandable. And on the technical side, maybe you can say a few words about the specialties of the local search. So what could be the challenges you are addressing with the local search case?
Actually, we discussed with you, Hocam, but normally we have image and metadata, so we try to perform a similar search for it covers all the image and the other metadata, but performing image embedding and text embedding similarity search is very irrelevant to us because current models give different similarity scores for them. They can sort them for the image only or text only, but there is no use case, I think I couldn't find it, but there is no use case to text to image and text search. So we try to combine them, but it's very challenging for us. So we are also looking for the best solution right now.
And also for the local case, I mean, when you
Yeah.
local, I think you have efficiency, I mean, the infrastructure challenges too. So
Yeah, implementing those AI models very challenging because they.
will work in my machine, right? In my
Yeah, your local, your phone's CPU.
So will you scale it down or will you prune the model?
Like we prefer to quantize it first, but when you find the already quantized version of those models, we prefer to use them directly because it's very challenging to optimize it. And also, what we see is fine-tuned version of quantized models perform better to a vanilla model. So we prefer to fine-tuned and quantized version of those models. So in this version, I guess, like Clip Android and Mobile Clip, those are not the vanilla model and quantized version. They also add some extra training process for them, and then they try to implement to edge devices. So for the Android, it's very easy to implement the vanilla model as well because Android is very easy to develop and JNI bindings are very useful. But on the iOS side, it's very close, I think, because Apple introduced a core ML APIs and we really don't know about it. And thanks to the Apple researchers, they already implement such models. Yeah.
We didn't talk about, but I'm curious about that. Maybe I can hear also. So when we have such a model, the model is quantized, smaller model, is it going to be bundled with your application? So when I download it, let's say your app, it will come to my phone. Maybe later you will need to update the model after some time. Maybe there's a better fine-tuned one.
Yeah.
You do it at home and and then you will push it to the app store. Did you plan the implementation level?
Actually, we also discussed these things, like not for the models, but also the other features as well, because we need, when we publish our application, we need to update it as well. After we finalize the features, main features, we also implement those feature update features for them. So updating the model might be easy, like just a package download and
How
delete.
much is the model in a phone? Is it in the order of 300 megabytes or larger, smaller?
Mithat, can you-
Around 100 or 200 megabytes.
like compared to yes, Spotify, LinkedIn, YouTube, when you look up your phone, it's around 1 gigabyte or so.
And our app also is like 500 and 600 megabyte right now currently, but with more features it will of course increase.
Yeah, so we don't have any storage problem for now. So we are going to developing more, I guess.
But we will also consider that too.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yes.
So very nice. What is AI multi-models?
Like those models that we use are called multi-models that has two tower architecture, one for the text encoder and one for the image encoder.
Multi-model AI models, maybe.
Yeah, but calling it like a very, for the multi-model AI models, like,
Yeah, multi-model LLM, multi-model VLM.
yeah, maybe we can call it. Oh, sorry for that, I will fix that.
There's no multi-model. It's like a subject but not noun.
Sorry.
Anyway, it's a small, by the way, Önce is a graduate of this department, you know?
Who?
Önce.
Yeah, I tried to reach him, but he is busy for this month. So we try to also get a meeting next month.
He's a close friend actually.
Yeah,
But he's usually very busy.
I guess so.
Regarding the commercialization, who is going to pay for it? How you are going to make money?
It's also challenging for us because, as you can see, it's not the B2B, and it's not easy to make it make a money. It's going to work as B2C morely. Yeah.
Do you think somebody will pay money for?
Actually, especially younger generation wants such platforms. Like when we talk about them, they really like these things. Yeah.
So for example, when we surf in online platforms like Twitter, we can somehow see a demand for that kind of application because the meme culture is evolving. There is a lot of memes are being like published or created, and people want to find them easier. So we somehow see a kind of demand for them.
Okay. Like how much money would you charge to
Depends on the time when we
Yeah. Like
But we don't know the economics.
we actually focus on our main features, but after we finalize, we try to make some of them premium feature, and we can charge for the monthly or one-time charge purchase. Yeah.
No, not one time, I guess, because you're trying to
Yeah. So monthly is a good time, but I don't know the cost for the maintenance.
The reason I'm asking
Yeah.
is that you seem to making good progress. Why not commercialize?
Yeah, we are also thinking it.
We want to
Think about the costs and
I'm also on that. I asked that if you commercialize, you have to give me some share of the. That's the process, right? So Gökberk Hoca is the coordinator, he knows. Whenever you commercialize, you give 5% automatically.
At the end of the second semester or the middle of the second semester, depends on the current situation of our product, we can think about it.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you need to think about the business model,
Yeah, as well.
not just putting it on the because suppose it's successful and 20,000 people are using it, but
Yeah.
you are broke because it's calculated.
Okay, we will think about it more detailed. Thank you.
And finally, one more thing. We need to differentiate from Giphy. It's already embedded in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
It already provides some kind of meme search engine. Right?
Yeah, we mentioned it. Those are mostly based on tag or keyword based search algorithms. So when we try to express what the meme is, then you can remember the name of it. Like we have a cat in. Yeah.
To communicate is really bad.
Yeah. So.
Because otherwise they will think I made 3 searches in Giphy and find it, it's free, versus I pay for this and it's one search, but in case.
Yeah.
But GIF is only limited for GIF memes.
Yeah.
And we want to improve our datasets so our datasets and search algorithms can handle videos, photos, and GIFs all at the same time. Plus, we have a local search feature addition, and GIF don't have that basically.
I'm convinced. Users need to be convinced.
We hope so as well.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you for feedback. Thank you.
By the way, if you want to check on your hand, I have a pre-installed version. You can look.
I think I need to go now.
Okay.
Yeah, the demo was very nice.
Thank you so much.